Samsung presents the key benefits of CIPURSE here at the CARDS 2013. We highlight the form factor independence and vendor independency with CIPURSE in our live demonstration. We run an NFC UICC and a contactless card based on a Java OS, as well a contactless card based on a basic OS in the same CIPURSE ecosystem. 3 different Samsung chips with 2 OS types run in the Samsung CIPURSE ecosystem, achieved by a consistent technology scheme. This is a truly flexible, secure, multi-application solution for the mass market adoption. In our demonstration, we combine different products, different form factors, and for that reason, I will load the content of the demonstration to different products. Of course, it would be possible to load the couponing, vouchers, everything to one device, but we would of course show the interoperability of different CIPURSE schemes in our demonstration. So I will now purchase a cinema ticket where I select the movie and perform the checkout. And here I use a wallet application for the payment to show the NFC form factor. Okay, I have done the purchase now with a mobile device. Now I would like to have the ticket to enter the cinema on this card. And then we see that Samsung has made a special promotion for this movie, and I would like to have the coupon for the popcorn on another card. So since I go with a car this evening with my girlfriend or my wife to the cinema, I will not use a transportation this evening. So what we have now shown is different form factors, different products in one and the same CIPURSE ecosystem. They work together. Even we have a combination here of CIPURSE V1 and CIPURSE V2, and you can see it's really working in a live demonstration. So after loading the cinema ticket and the coupon to our cards, we are now going to the redeem station where we can redeem the cinema ticket and the coupon when we enter the cinema. So I will now first of all use the Java card we have made for CIPURSE and redeem the ticket. Then when I'm in the cinema, I will redeem from the basic card the coupon for the popcorn. So here we have shown 2 different product types based on our silicon with CIPURSE. One was for Java and one was for basic OS. This underlines the interoperability, flexibility and security of CIPURSE.
So mobile communication is very important to transport and ticketing because the end user can experience very easily and comprehensively all the different flavors of transport and ticketing by using a mobile phone. So that's very helpful. It's important that interoperability is given. Interoperability between the handset and also the infrastructure. The infrastructure can vary, so it's important to have this infrastructure somehow standardized, and that can best be achieved by using an open standard such as CIPURSE. So this is what the CIPURSE, let's say, initiative is all about. But it's also important to have interoperability between the handset and the secure element used. So in this handset environment is defined by ETSI, by 3GPP. So it's important to also ensure the interoperability. And this is where the mobile initiative by CIPURSE comes into the game. We believe that these both initiatives will help a lot creating a successful ecosystem, and that's why Infineon is providing or putting all the CIPURSE functionality on their controllers, ranging from standalone transport controllers towards dual interface controllers in payment, and also in all kind of secure elements used in mobile phones.
In my view, mobile in transport and ticketing application is getting more and more important. Why? The core business of transit agencies is to transport people and to convince people to leave their cars at home. And that's a great big challenge. So I think that the people using public transport, the commuters, have to be offered a wide range of comfortable and easy accessible transport services that fits to their own lifestyle, and that brings mobile into the game. So you all know mobile is in a daily use, and I see that the commuters do expect their transit companies to use mobiles to provide them with a seamless journey and immediate information. Information about departure time, delays, transfers. That's one aspect regarding mobile, but mobile can do more. Mobile can be a means of fare collection. It can make fare collection much more easier, streamline ticket sales. So especially with the NFC, the near field communication capabilities incorporated in many smartphones, that's a huge opportunity to improve the convenience of travelers.
Today what we see in the ticketing system is that you have two types of media. You have the open payment card, which is a payment card, and you have a native product which different protocols. So on the mobile phone we will see the payment of mobile phone, but this will be driven by the bank. And for the transport application, which will be driven by the PTO, the public transport operator or the public transport authority, they would like to use this one because they can have a direct marketing to the end user. They can offer different type of services in the transport ecosystem. And of course, with CIPURSE, as CIPURSE is a multi-application specification, they will be able to provide other services like loyalties, retails, and also to make some advertisements and use other company around the transport ecosystem, which will bring value to their cards or their application on their mobile phone, and then they can leverage their application. So for Oberthur, we are a company which is able to provide the two technology on the payment on mobile phone and also CIPURSE on mobile phone. So for us it's not an issue, but we believe that for the end user and for our customer, which are the PTO or the PTA, they will use their own application to push this type of services to their end user.
CIPURSE is a multi-application solution for NFC phones and for contactless cards. There is no limitation for applications running on a card or NFC phone. So one scheme fits all, we can say. Especially with the new CIPURSE specification, the V2R2, we will introduce a PXXE, which stands for Proximity System Environment. This gives the mobile industry a key benefit with CIPURSE because you can have for transport, for loyalty compounding, a single generic application which is loaded to the UICC, and behind these PXXE for transport, for example, you can have several instances. Instances are standing for operators which using one generic application. Why this is so important for the mobile industry? We can reduce the memory needed for applications because we don't need to load one application for each transport operator on the SIM card. No, we just have one generic application which is used by a variety of transport organizations.
Whenever you will move from a card-based to a mobile-based environment, basically the cake will be the same, right? So you will need to add new players, and all the problems will be to share the cake, which will remain basically the same. So the idea here is that you will need to add a new application in order to have this cake to grow. Open standards such as CIPURSE can bring in these multi-applications capabilities. This is, to me, the main differentiation that an open standard can bring for the mobile community.